windshield, whopper, washer, things. Peace out.
Good job, Boo. Hey guys, welcome back to another day of It's a Bug's Life. On today's video, we're gonna do a walk around on this 1993 Cherokee XJ. This is actually our daughter's vehicle. She has a 1979 Ford Bronco called Bonnie, and this is her 93 Cherokee called Clyde. Goos is actually in the driver's seat, so she's she'll poke her head. You'll see her a little bit later, but we want to just show you a little bit about her. She was a nice little find that just kind of stumbled across actually. So she's a really cool Jeep. She's already ready for the trail. She's already got the 31-inch Milestar Patagonia tires. She's got a truss front axle with the she's got a high pinion Dana 30. And what else has she got, Boo?
It's already got the slip yoke eliminator kit. It's got front and rear double carbon drive shafts. It has the steering brace already on it. It's got an AC block-off kit. It's got a 4.5-inch rough country lift on it. It's got sway bar disconnects. Oh, and the other thing is this Jeep is absolutely 100% rust-free.
Yeah.
We have climbed underneath every inch of this thing. There is not a speck of rust on this Jeep. What? Time out. So we were just super impressed with this thing. It's got the extended brake lines on it. It is just super, super clean.
Boo's constantly threatening the Goos that he's going to take stuff off of this Jeep and put it onto our buggy.
Because, yeah, we want the high pinion Dana 30, you know,
we want the truss front axle.
We want the truss axle. We want the slip yoke eliminator kit. We want the double carbon drive shafts. Oh, and then, here's the Goos. So she's pretty happy 16-year-old that she's got a 79 Bronco named Bonnie that is currently right now getting a brand new crate motor 351 fuel injected. About 400 horsepower is going in that, and we're completely redoing the Bronco, so that's going to be awesome. I can't wait to get it back home.
Been promising you that Bronco since June.
We'll get it here.
It's just it's coming. Not all of them come with
it is just, I mean, you know, it's got the, you know, the clear coat's fading a little bit on it, but as far as, you know, what she wanted, it is just absolutely, it's perfect.
It's perfect for a 16-year-old. If she gets in a little wreck, it's not going to be devastating.
I want it.
No. They think their Jeep is so cool because it doesn't have any markings, but my Jeep's beautiful the way it is.
It's got character.
And I have a pinstripe.
Yeah, Daddy's going to take the pinstripe off. No, keeping it. We're really proud of it. We just couldn't believe the find. I mean, Buggy just found it, called up and said, "Hey, Boo, I found this Jeep," and she sent me the specs, and I was just like, "No way for the price." I was like, "We're gonna get there. The motor's gonna be crappy. It's gonna be rusted out," and it was just a gal that had it, that was selling it for her friend that was in the military that needed some money, and we were just like, I mean, almost wanted to give her more money for it. It was just ridiculous.
You're like, what's wrong with it?
Yeah,
what's wrong with it?
It's just awesome.
So guys, while we're out here with the Jeep, her windshield washer fluid is not actually reaching the windshield very much. It's reaching on the driver's side, but not at all on the passenger side. So while we got it out here, we're gonna get Boo and we're gonna dig in and see if we can get the fluid to actually reach the windshield, get ready for the winter. So we're gonna show you what we do.
Boo in the frame. Pull that out, and then that should come off of there, just like that. So you lift that up, pry that out, let it back down, and then wiggle her off.
Perfect.
Just oop, and then dump the Jeep. Okay.
Goose didn't see that.
I mean, these could be like painted black and fixed up nice. All right, so next, so we've got the wipers off, then we gotta take, I think there's like 8 screws on here. We just gotta
Let me get that side.
Bug in the house. Uh-oh, what just came off with that one?
A little,
It broke, didn't it?
yeah. It's all right though.
Okay, so obviously, problem solved.
Oh,
It was just disconnected.
oh,
We connect it back on.
oh, how simple.
We'll clean this up.
Yeah,
And then,
let's give it a whirl before we get it all hooked up.
all right.
Let's give it a whirl. Let me try.
Okay, go ahead and give her a shot.
Ah! Let's see, let's do it again.
There you go. Yep. Because this one was open, you're getting your camera.
Oh no! Oh no!
Because this one was open and had no pressure to build on a nozzle.
Yeah.
That's why that one was barely spraying, because it was just shooting water down here, which is probably like floorboard is soaking wet in there. From that. Okay, let's get this cleaned up.
Okay.
It was as simple as hooking that other hose back up, and then we didn't know quite what was going on. Luckily, we were sitting down in the garage, and I looked underneath the Jeep and saw a big puddle of water underneath it. And I was like, oh, obviously, it's not clogged. It's open-ended.
It's going somewhere.
So we figured, that was the case, and sure as heck, that's what it was. I'll show you the puddle that we saw. Buggy, she's so cute. So that was the clue. I guess I should have looked to see if it mattered which wiper went on which side. So Goosey, her blinkers just stopped working yesterday. Bug called me and said, hey, Goosey's blinker stopped. So I didn't know if it was going to be in the column shifter, but we just went for $6 at one of the auto parts stores, one of the cheapy stores. We got an upgraded version of this, and it is
It was the
552 12-volt Wagner DOT, and it just said it was a replacement for the 502. Put it in there, and blinkers are working. Got our windshield washer, got our windshield washer wiper things working. Windshield washer things working. Peace out.
Good job, Boo. Hey guys, thanks for watching. And Matt, this one's for you. I'm wearing your shirt. So guys, leave some comments below, like, subscribe, ring that bell if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time on another day of It's a Bug's Life. You don't like the camera.